Hi, I'm Rick Hansen. I've been involved in the agricultural community for many decades. My grandfather had a farm in the Peace River country, and when I was wheeling around the world on my Man in Motion World Tour, hundreds and thousands of people from the agricultural community were involved on my journey, encouraging me, cheering me on, and helping me to complete my journey and help people with disabilities lead a life filled with full potential. For many decades since, there's been lots of opportunities for me to give back through grants from our foundation, and of course work in partnership with many other people, many of them of course who had a background from the agricultural community. Most recently, I was involved with Farm Credit Canada on a major tour across the country, speaking to and connecting to tens of thousands of people from the agricultural community. I had a great opportunity to rekindle my partnership and relationship and to be reminded that accidents, unfortunately, do happen. And while we do have a strong commitment to safety on the workplace, when accidents happen, many people are in desperate need. And in conversation with former president of Farm Credit Canada, Greg Stewart, we decided that we would do something about it. We would launch an exciting campaign in partnership with the Canadian Agricultural Safety Association called Back to Ag. And this was designated towards creating, first of all, an awareness program of encouraging people that there was still hope if you happen to have a disability in the workforce and you wanted to get back to the life that you love. It was a great success with incredible online campaigns and social networks, and we had a great response from people who really resonated with this topic. And now we're into the exciting phase of the fact that Farm Credit Canada has contributed $100,000 to be able to help workers who had a disability who were in need. So if you know someone who has had a disability, or you have happened to have one yourself, please apply to the Canadian Agricultural Safety Association's website for a grant. You could be eligible to have a grant that could help you get retrained to get back to the workforce, or to be able to access adapted technology or make workplace modifications so that you can get back to ag and the life that you love. Let's keep the dream alive. Thanks a lot, you guys.